isikole sidla magalani ubaba kalela ulibangise ngoba kude emakhaya ngamakhaya iju secondary ngoba umnyama yafika amaqhuthe sakhala mhlonishwa udelubu songo ukuthi ekhaya kuphela ububu usicobelela amazwi umekhuluma empeleni mina wami ubaba ungenza umuntu ngiye ngamgoqa sasidala namasosha bangixakala babangikosta uye wangiqoqa sizinsizwa sinjena inguye eyayifisa ukuba nguye ngisengane mina ngengawuhlupho ngakukhangela ubekezelile walikhulisa ihlongandlebe khehla lami neswele ungizamela bethi ngehlula bomndeni wazibambela mhlonishwa ngokhohlwa ngifile ngokhohlwa ngifile ndima yakho uyidlalile ngokhohlwa ngifile ngokhohlwa ngifile
lenhlonipho enibabaza kimi nithi nifundiswe ngubani leli qhawe nibona kimi nithi lizalwa ngubani mina ngawe hamba nobani ngiyokhohlwa ngifile walikhulisa iqhawe kunzima enhlizweni yami ufana nomama kaShaka anazi ngizalwa ngubani ngizalwa ngohamba nobani nokungahluleka empilweni ngakufundisa ngohamba nobani nokungahlehlela emuva ngakufundisa
uhlupho ngakukhangela ubekezelile walikhulisa ihlongandlebe mama wami ngeswele ungizamela bethi ngehlula bomndeni wazibambela ndlovukazi ngokhohlwa ngifile ngokhohlwa ngifile ndima yakho uyidlalile ngokhohlwa ngifile ngokhohlwa
uthe umama kashiya wabhalansisa sancika ngifisa ngabe busaphila nazimbali ngiyakunika now I'm a real nigga oh cause you were there as a figure but when I look in the mirror yazi kuba ngathi ungiphila ngoba ngikufuze ngadlulela I don't just look like you got a wife now but I still clean cook like you thanks for the music bakhala bathi ngibuhlungu kakhulu find out to be and I promise to be a good one too uzisha isifuba
ndima yakho uyidlalile